Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana Decentraland, one of my favorite metaverse cryptocurrencies. And we are now above $4, so we've made it there and we're keeping it at that level. By the way, if you're interested in me doing a video on how to play or how to get into the Decentraland metaverse, let me know and I might do a video about, how to actually get into that metaverse, how to start playing it and what you can actually do in there. Let me know, but that would obviously be a completely different topic to what I do here in these videos, which is technical analysis. So let's start with from where we're coming from. Obviously from all the way, started at 70 cents, moved up all the way to nearly $5. Huge blow off top. I watched it when it happened. It was crazy. Within just a minute, it dropped from $5 down to, well, it basically crashed to $3 or something. But after that, a bull flag developed. I mentioned on this channel that I believed it was a bull flag. In the end, it was extended longer than expected, but still a bull flag out of which we broke out. And I think we are currently, clearly we are in an impulsive move to the upside. So talking about Elliott waves, what we do at the moment is, I just show that quickly because I think we started down here with the wave 1 to the top here, which is that wave 1, came down in a wave 2, came up all the way to the wave 3, came down in a wave 4, and I think we are now approaching in a wave 5 potential price targets of the $5 range up here. Now that was a wave 5, or that was in my view the completion of the wave 4 here, because we did not come into the price area of wave 1. So if we say this top here was wave 1 on the 13th of November, then you have to, wave 4 is not allowed at all to come into the price area of wave 1. And if we draw a horizontal here, you can see how exactly, that wave 4 did not come into the price area of wave 1. So do you see that top of wave 1 here and the low of wave 4? It's incredible. So should we now drop once more below that level, which is at 383 or 382, should we, 383, should we drop below 383, then we haven't seen the completion of wave 4 yet, because then it means, it is not over yet, and the wave 3, which goes to the upside then. So again, just to make it easy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if that wave 5, that's currently what I have here as wave 4, comes lower, then it is, as per the Elliott wave rules, not allowed to be a wave 4. Then the wave 3 is not finished, and we would need to assume that the wave 3 will be longer. Wave 4 will then somewhere here, and wave 5 there. But it is currently looking like that this was wave 3, the top here at around 440, came down in a wave 4 to exactly where, the absolute maximum it can do, that wave 4 correction. And now we would then assume a wave 5 move. Now from here, if we take a look what the next fib levels are, we have the next level is certainly, anyway, that $5 level. I think we are going to target that. We have managed now to stay above the 0.214 fib level. Now that fib level is at 407. So we're currently holding above that. That is quite crucial, quite important. If we draw the fibs just of that initial move here from wave 1, well, just looking at wave 1 basically, you can see that when we retraced in here that wave 2, that was pretty much to the 0.618 fib level, the golden ratio. We then moved up to the 1.272 level in the wave 3. Normally a wave 3 would normally go higher. A wave 3 is not the shortest wave, it's normally the longest one, but it's certainly not the shortest one. So normally the wave 3 could also go to the 1.618 at 482. Now it didn't do that. However, now the wave 5 could certainly get there to 482 and maybe overshoot that a little bit to the $5 range. So I think that will be where we are going to head next. Certainly, that is my expectation. And over the long run, I'm extremely bullish on Mana as well. Now on the daily RSI, we can see that we're now getting into the overbought range, so just need to be a bit careful. that, you know, as you get into these overbought ranges, that normally indicates that a reversal could be coming. And you can see that potentially starting here on the MACD as it's dropping off a little bit. But I think this is only dropping off because we had this short correction. This was obviously used up to the maximum it could do based on the L-wave rules, and I would now expect a further continuation to the upside. Overall, on the 4 hour, we are not yet in the overbought range, so there is a bit of scope to the upside on the shorter term time frames as well. And here on the 4 hour, we might even see a bullish cross coming up soon. So overall, really bullish on Mana. Need to hold the $4 level, but overall it is looking really good. And I think even if we don't hold the $4 level, what we should be holding is the 380 level now. We've had significant support here, yeah, and if we drop below 382, the next support level will be here at around 350, which is also a fib level, but it also is a previous low here. And then we had support here at around 320. That's another support level. But next key resistance I would expect, well, first of all here at that previous high, basically the not the all-time high, but here at 430, which was the high from the 19th of November. And after that, I think we can get to 482, and even then that blow off top high at 498. Hopefully you liked that video about Mana. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.